There are thousands of side hustles available online that require little work and can be done from the comfort of your own home, and millions of people profit from them on a daily basis. Some are in the form of apps and websites that require some of your time and pay you for simple activities, while others pay you for doing absolutely nothing. In this video, I will demonstrate 5 simple side hustles that anyone from anywhere may do to earn money. Let's begin with Honeygain, an app and website that allows you to make up to $184 each month without performing any effort. So effectively, the website will pay you to share your internet connection. That may sound unusual, but bear with me as I explain. The first step is to download the app to your phone, tablet, or laptop. You can put it on all of your gadgets if you want to make more money. The program will then use your internet connection in the background to retrieve little bits of information from the internet. The small bits of information acquired from your internet connection are solely used by trustworthy companies all over the world for things like online analytics, price comparison, and other tried and true business activities. As previously said, this can earn you up to $184 every month. The best part is that all you have to do is download the app to your phone or as many other devices as you desire. And the more devices you install the software on, the more money you can make. Swagbucks is a survey service that allows you to earn money by doing various tasks. You can earn money by just browsing the internet, doing surveys, viewing films online, playing games, or even sharing your in-store shopping receipts. Swagbucks is available for both Apple and Android smartphones if you use a mobile device. Many users have reported earning $50 to $100 each month for playing games, viewing films, and doing surveys, with top earners earning up to $2,000 per year. Participating in market research is another way to get quick money. Basically, you can get paid to take part in studies that are generally done online and take between 15 minutes and an hour to complete. Sites that pay you to participate in market research include User Interviews, Respondent, Survey Junkie, Focus Group, and Apex Focus Groups. However, in order to participate in this market research, you will typically be asked questions about your demographics, past purchases, and purchasing habits, and items and services that you would recommend. However, it is fairly uncommon to earn around $100 per month performing market research. And depending on your level of activity, you can easily make a lot more. But it's really simple, needs very little effort, and can be done from the comfort of your own home. Small Business Knowledge Center is a website that will pay you to go through your junk mail and emails. There is a vast list of junk mail and emails that they will accept. However, if you read over this list, you'll notice that they accept almost everything. It works as follows. You sign up, and if accepted, you begin sending them junk mail and emails that suit the categories. They'll then pay you in the form of rewards, which you can then redeem for Visa gift cards, which are basically the same as cash. Now, depending on your region and demographic, there may be limited space for you to join. But if you can't join now, there is a wait list. And if a position becomes available, you'll be contacted quickly, which is usually rather frequently. On average, regular members will now receive $20 every 6 to 10 weeks. Even though it's not a lot of money, you get paid to send junk mail that you would otherwise throw away. Furthermore, if you combine this approach with some of the others on this list, you can make a lot of money. Making and selling printables is an underrated method of making money online. Listen up. Printables are one of the most popular and profitable categories on websites like Etsy. Printables can include anything from wall art to calendars, planners, birthday cards, and much more. What makes printables such a strong and simple way to make money online is that even if you aren't an artist, there are a variety of free resources and tools available to help you locate free graphics and designs to use in your printables. As a result, they're not only simple to manufacture, but they're also a terrific source of passive revenue. Because printables are digital products, when someone buys one from you on Etsy, you don't have to perform any further effort to sell that product. They're simply purchasing a file from you, which you might theoretically sell in an endless length of time. The amount of money you may make selling printables online is determined by a number of things. But keep in mind that some people make a few $1,000s per year doing this, while others make well over $1 million or more. How much you wind up making is entirely dependent on your ability to locate popular printables that people genuinely want to buy, and then putting in the effort to create as many of these printables as possible, because the more you have available, the wider your reach. Finally, if you want to see easy various ways to make money online, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Until the next video, peace out.